If you watch this channel regularly, you know that I am an attorney and I specialize in technology law, but I also help lawyers and law firms understand how to navigate into the AI age, how to best think about and use AI tools in order to 10x yourself as a lawyer or your law firm. We are going to start a series of videos that I think you're going to really enjoy, and they're going to help you on a day to day basis figure out how to get from 2x to 4x or 4x to 10x in your amplification using AI tools. The way I approach AI every day, the process by which I provide context to a thread or a project folder, how I set up a project folder, how I do meta prompting in order to create custom instructions for a project folder, and so many other little nuanced things that I do as part of my AI process are fundamentally different than probably what you're doing. I've been doing this for 3 years. I've figured out how to get to a really high level. And so I'm going to start sharing those practical everyday tips from my own work product. And we're going to call it How I Used AI Today. And it's going to be one example of the 100 different uses that I do in a day, one example of how I went through the process of designing a prompt or putting a business process on top of AI that matches what I'm doing here at my firm, at my desk in the morning when I sit down. So here's what I want you to do. Subscribe, like, follow, share. Share this with someone that you care about, another attorney who you want to have a fighting chance in the AI age. And then over the coming days and weeks, we're going to be going through the process of giving you daily tips on how I used AI today in order to get your mindset right, get your strategy right, and upskill your skills so that you become the best possible version of the lawyer that you want to be. My name is Enrico. We'll see you next time.